Welcome to Tech Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create amazing cartoon animation videos in a simple and easy way. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a little experience, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn your ideas into animated stories. You can create animations in all kinds of styles. For example, you can make fun and colorful cartoons for kids, or even step into a futuristic world with robots and high-tech environments. If you're into adventure, you could create a story about a girl who turns into a fish and lives under the sea. The possibilities are endless, and you can let your imagination run wild. Whether you want to make something cute, funny, or even mysterious, this channel will teach you how to bring your vision to life. So, if you're ready to start making your own creative and exciting animation videos, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Creations, and click the bell icon for more updates. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to create your own animation videos step by step and how you can bring your ideas to life in a fun and easy way. Stay tuned. First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me a short story in English, 50 words, about one girl in the forest with an animal. When the story appears, ask ChatGPT. Give me 4 image prompts based on this story in detail. I'm just explaining that you will take 4 prompts according to your story. If your story is long, you can ask for more prompts, like 10 or 20, depending on how many scenes your story has. Now take one of the prompts that ChatGPT gave and open a website called Pixelman. It's free. Pixelman is a great website that offers free tools for creating animated videos and cartoon characters. It's perfect for beginners as well as professionals who want to design engaging visual content without spending money. The platform is user-friendly and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, social media, or educational purposes, Pixelman provides various templates and customization options. Overall, it's a valuable resource for anyone looking to make creative videos easily and for free. Myself. Simply paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into Pixelman. After that, select your desired size. I usually choose 16, 9, but you can pick whatever size you like. Your image will be ready shortly. Next, open another website called Leonardo AI. Leonardo.ai gives 150 daily credits, which can be used to download 12 to 16 AI-generated images. Leonardo.ai is a fantastic free website for creating AI-generated artwork. It offers powerful tools for designing unique images with ease, making it perfect for artists and creators. With its intuitive interface and no-cost access, Leonardo.ai helps users bring their creative ideas to life without any hassle. Copy one of your prompts and paste it there. You can see I've created many images on Leonardo too. When you paste the prompt, the image will be generated. Leonardo gives 150 free credits per day. But if you want to create unlimited free images, then Pixelman is the best. In this way, keep copying your prompts from ChatGPT and pasting them into the websites one by one. Ready. Pixelman is a very good website where you can easily create images. I've made all my images using Pixelman and Leonardo AI, and now I'll download and save them. Do exactly what I'm doing on the screen, step by step. Now look, your image is ready. Pixelman is a very good website where you can easily create images. I've made all my images using Pixelman and Leonardo AI, and now I'll download and save them. Do exactly what I'm doing on the screen, step by step. After downloading your image, open Runway ML. Once it's open, log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, click on Generate Video. Then click on Image Asset and upload the image you want to use to make a video. Now, you'll need to write a prompt, a short description of what you want the video to look like. You can write whatever you want based on your idea. For example, I want to write, "All animals are moving, the girl is also moving, and there are some natural movements in the background." This website is really good. If you make your video using Runway, the quality will be amazing, smooth and high quality. In this way, I can convert all of my images into videos one by one. Then I'll simply download them, and just like that, my video will be ready. In today's video, I showed you how to create AI videos step by step. As I explained, you can make any type of video you want using this method, like children with animals, a futuristic new world in 2025, a robot world, a girl swimming like a fish in the water, and much more. You can be as creative as you want and make videos according to your own imagination. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps and motivates me. In the next video, I'll come back with a new and unique style. Thanks for watching.